guys, welcome back to the channel. This is HowFast. It's been a couple weeks, haven't seen you guys. I wanted to give you an update. Nothing to update. It's been a couple weeks, nothing's come in. No flywheel, no ECU, no wheel studs, nothing. So I've been told that the new wheel studs are given a ship date of December 14th. So we'll find out on December 14th if they actually ship or not. Other than that, the other two items, haven't heard anything on. I'm getting tired of waiting. Not gonna lie, tired of waiting. I'm gonna actually start working kind of in reverse here. Because I'm tired of looking at Dodgey sitting here up on jacks. It's been months. It's too long. Can't wait any longer. So I'm gonna actually start putting the old wheel studs back in right now because I really don't have hope that they're gonna ship on the 14th. So I'm gonna put the old wheel studs back in, get him back on all four wheels, and we're gonna strap the engine to the transmission without the flywheel. And we're going to put it in, we're going to bolt it down, we're going to put the exhaust on, we're going to put the intake on, we're going to put the accessory drive on. We're going to start putting things on this car because I'm tired. I'm tired of waiting. And I bet you guys are too. So let's get started. Okay, wheels are back on. Let's get that motor bolted up, get it in. Okay, just finished up lunch. We got the engine in, we got the exhaust for the driver's side on, and the intake is on, and now it's time to put the passenger side exhaust on. Okay, so we got the passenger side exhaust on. Doesn't look great, does it? I wish there was something better that we could put on in its place. You know, something that would hold the turbo by itself. Something that's proven to make more horsepower than what I'm looking at right now. If only I had something better. Something handmade, you know? Like a piece of art. Oh, that's right. I forgot to tell you guys. We picked up a turbo log manifold from our friends at Fowler Speed and Performance. I want to give a big shout out to those guys. Thank you so much for making this for me. It is honestly, as I just said, a piece of art. And I can't wait to bolt it up here. But we're not going to do that today. It would probably be best to save that for another day. when we actually have a turbo to put on it, and we're ready to actually put the gasket in and everything like that. But I got that other manifold on there for now just to keep all those holes closed. But it's coming along. Surprisingly, we can get done in one day when everything's already ready to get bolted in. Yeah, pretty shocking what you're able to get done in a day. Okay, guys, that's going to do it for this week's episode. A lot of work done. We got the wheels on, we got the car back down, we got the engine in, we got the intake on, we got the exhaust on. You know, showed you guys some new parts I was hoping we could have had on completely, but we'll have to wait on some of that, just like we're waiting on some of these parts. And it's going to take some time, so everyone, let's just get settled in for the long winter haul. Now, I'm going to give you guys some HowFast trivia, but before I do that, I wanted to tell you guys that I'm going to be putting out a different kind of video, a different format of video on my other YouTube channel. I know you guys probably don't know I have another YouTube channel. It's called PDC_just_Inc. It's my art page, but I've never really put anything on there, but I think it's about time that I start doing that. Some of the stuff I want to talk to you guys about is important. It's about the world, and it's the world we're living in and what we're dealing with right now. And on top of that, there'll be some surprises about what's happening around here. I just don't think that this is the HowFast platform is really the place to talk about it. So I encourage you guys to go check that out. I'll put a link down below. But for now, let's talk about the HowFast trivia for last week. Last week's HowFast trivia question was, in which Californian town is it illegal to jump from a car which is traveling more than 60 miles per hour? Your options were A, Sonora, B, Barstow, C, Glendale, or D, Bishop. And we got a couple people on Rumble who actually got it correct last week. So congratulations, guys. The correct answer was C, Glendale. So like I said, I'm not going to give you guys a HowFast trivia question this week, but I really do want you guys to go and check out my other channel. And here's some of the things that I have to say and comment on that video. And, you know, we'll keep waiting on parts here. And as they come in, I'll update you guys either through here or Instagram or Rumble. And then and when those parts come in, we'll be sure to put them on. So until then, guys, I will catch up with you next time. Find out how fast we can make this car go.